This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt. Insert the ignition key, rotate it anti-clockwise, then clockwise to release the catch. Fully raise the bonnet and support it with the prop. Using the locking wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel nuts half a turn. Position the workshop jack under the front subframe rear mounting, then raise the vehicle until the tyre is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the chassis member and remove the jack. Fully unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Raise the seat to its highest position, move the seat cushion as far forward as it will go, and tilt the seat backrest as far forward as possible. Undo the retaining bolts and lift out the battery clamp plate. Unclip the small cover over the negative battery terminal, followed by the main cover. Slacken the retaining nut, then with a twisting motion, pull the negative lead clamp from the battery negative terminal. Use a short length of rubber hose to insulate the battery terminal to prevent accidental reconnection. Undo the front and rear mounting bolts. Push the headlight rearward slightly to disengage the rear clip. Depress the clip and disconnect the wiring plug as the headlight is withdrawn. Slide the power steering reservoir from the mounting, then remove the intake pipe. Undo the bolts and remove the plastic shield in the wheel arch aperture. Undo the nut and move the pipe bracket to one side. Undo the nuts and bolts, then remove the auxiliary drive belt cover. Using a sharp knife or snips, cut through and remove the stretch belt driving the coolant pump. If the main belt is to be refitted, mark the normal direction of rotation. Rotate the belt tensioner clockwise and lock it in place using a 6mm diameter bolt or drill bit. Remove the drive belt. Locate the belt around the pulleys, ensuring the belt ribs locate correctly in the pulley grooves. If the original belt is being refitted, observe the direction of rotation marking. Withdraw the locking bolt or drill bit and allow the tensioner to rotate anti-clockwise, tensioning the belt. Locate the new stretch drive belt in the grooves of the coolant pump pulley so that it is centered in the grooves and not overlapping the raised sides. Position the belt under the crankshaft pulley and over the fitting tool. Rotate the crankshaft clockwise by means of the crankshaft pulley until the belt is seated in the grooves of the pulley. Remove the fitting tool. Refit the belt cover and tighten the retaining bolts or nuts. Refit the pipe brake and tighten the retaining nut. Maneuver the plastic shield into place, then tighten the bolts. Fit the wheel over the hub studs and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Raise the vehicle, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Working in a diagonal pattern, tighten the nuts to the specified torque. Refit the intake pipe, then slide the power steering fluid reservoir into its bracket. Reconnect the wiring plug and refit the headlight, ensuring the upper retaining clip engages correctly. Insert the headlight mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Remove the prop from the bonnet, then clip the prop into the storage bracket and close the bonnet. Don't forget to remove the ignition key. Remove the insulation, then press the negative lead clamp down over the battery negative terminal, then tighten the retaining nut securely. Refit the main battery cover and the negative terminal cover. Refit the clamp plate and securely tighten the retaining bolts. Move the driver's seat back into position.